Today's topic is compound interest and simple interest. Before we go deep dive into the things, I just want to tell you the simple difference between simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest means what? Let me tell you first of all what do you mean by interest. For example, if you have 100 rupees with you, you tell your friend that you land it with you, that is, you give your friend for 1 year, and you tell him that you have to pay me 10% extra rupees, right? You have to pay me 10% extra rupees after you pay this for 1 year to me. So what rupees he or she will pay? 110. So these 110 is the actual amount which you get it. So how much extra money did you get? You get 10 rupee extra. So this is called interest. So let us just see, right? You get it. This is called as principal amount, what you have it. With what percentage you give is rate of interest. Up to what time you give is time, that is for what month, what year, and whatever amount he or she gave you back is amount, right? But how much more money did you get? You get 10 rupee more money. So this is called interest. So this is a basic concept of interest. Let me just show you once more. If you have, for example, 1000 rupees, you tell that you have to give me 10% more. So what is 10% of 1000? So 10 upon 100 into 1000, you can cut it down, you get 100 rupees. So the person have to pay you 100 rupees more. That is your interest, right? Here we are going to study the formula of simple interest. So you are clear with what is amount, what is principal, what is interest, and what is rate of interest. Principal is amount you gave, total you have it. Rate means with what percentage you are giving to other person or you are taking from other person. Interest means whatever extra money you have to give or take, extra money. Amount means including principal. So let's see the formula. Simple interest, a formula is PRT upon 100. Formula of simple interest is PRT upon 100. So if I tell you that I have got 50,000 rupees, I give for 5% to my friend for 2 years. Okay, for 2 years. So simply I can find the simple interest. It is 50,000 into 5 into 2 upon 100. Let us cut that down. So you will get 500 into 5 into 2. So that is 5,000 rupees. This much interest you got it. It means this much extra rupees he or she have to give you. So the total amount you will get is 50,000 plus 5,000 extra. So it is 55,000 rupees you will get after 2 years. So you can conclude the formula of amount also from this. I am writing with another pen. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Okay. So amount equal to principal plus interest. So SI equal to PRT upon 100. Now let me just show you. If you want to find principal, if in your sum they have told you that I want to find principal, they have given you the interest, you can find it like this way. If they tell you to find R, you can find it like this way. It is called subject of formula, which you already studied in last previous standards. Okay, I am making P the subject of formula. SI go over here, that is SI into 100 upon RT. The second formula is A equal to P plus I. So if you are given amount and interest, you want to find principal, so it is A minus I. If you want to find interest, it is A minus P. This much is the basic which you already know it, I think, right? Now let us move to the next part of it, right? What is compound interest? So let us take the same sum. It is for a simple interest, right? Remember the amount 50,005 and 2%, you get 50,500, right? Let us take the same, right? 50,000 rupees as a principal, 5% as a rate of interest, and 2 as a time duration. So compound interest means it is calculated yearly normally, right? So it is calculated up to specific time, normally yearly, but sometimes they can also tell you that it is calculated half yearly or quarterly. So let me tell you, see, 50,000 into 5 into 2 upon 100, it is simple interest, but we don't have to take that when we are taking compound interest. As I have told you, I have to take 1 year. Why? Because it is compounded yearly. If they have told it is compounded yearly, right? So it will be 500 into 5. Okay, so it will be year, right? It will be 2,500 rupees. So this is the amount, this is the interest, this much extra money the person get in 1 year. So after 1 year, his principal become this one. Can you understand the concept? 50,000 rupees was there for 5% for 2 years. We have to take for 1 year only. So in 1 year he get extra 2,500. So after 1 year he will get his actual amount become 52,500, not 5,000, not 50,000. So what happens in next part is, for the second year, I can say, for the second year his principal became this much. So it is PRT upon 100. Again I want to tell you here, no 2. Why? It is only 1. Why? Because it is for second year. First year we already calculated it. So 5 to 5 is 0 0. I am cutting it down. So 525 into 5. So I can write it is so I can write over here the answer. Now listen carefully one thing. This is interest for second year. Okay, right? Now let us calculate the interest for 2 years. Right? For first year he got 2,500, for second year 2,625. Now just compare the interest. This is the total interest he got it. Right? In short, he just paid 50,000, out of which he got extra 5,125. Now compare it with that slide number 1, that slide of simple interest, where he got 5,000 for 2 years. Here he got 5,125 for 2 years. So here after 2 years, let me tell you, after 2 years, if this is a principal, if a rate is 5% and time is 2 years, then simple interest becomes 5,000 and compound interest becomes 5,125. Why it becomes 125? Because it's a compound interest. So it is very easy topic. But if you pay for 10 years, then Do we have to do this long thing for 1 year, then 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, then we have to calculate it? No, we have got one formula over here that we'll do in another session, right? But here let me tell you the total amount you get after 2 years. For simple interest you get 50,000 plus 500, and for compound interest you got 50,000 plus 5,125. So this much extra money you get if you land it for compound interest. Everything is same, but if you land it for compound interest. In our next session we'll study about the formula of compound interest.